Learning Unit Number 4. The theme connecting the stories in this unit is love and family. These stories examine family and romantic relationships, looking at how love and family bonds influence people's lives. In analyzing these stories, it will be useful to look for what psychological needs are being expressed by the major characters. In addition, we will seek to uncover the potential commentaries these stories may be making about society. The Red Convertible was written in 1984 by Louise Erdrich. The story involves the relationship of two Native American brothers, one of whom is suffering from the traumatic effects of war. We will analyze the ideas conveyed about the formative importance of family relationships. In addition, we will discuss the use of symbols within this story. Sonny's Blues was written in 1957 by James Baldwin. The story involves two African American brothers, one of whom is struggling with a heroin addiction. Our analysis will focus on what the story is conveying about the importance of family relationships in developing one's spiritual self. In addition, we will discuss the commentary about race and economic class within the story. Hills Like White Elephants was written in 1927 by Ernest Hemingway. The story focuses on a difficult conversation between a couple about a pregnancy. Our analysis will focus on the use of symbolism within the story. We will also analyze the motivations of the major characters. Sweat was written in 1926 by Zora Neale Hurston. This story employs the dialect of Southern African Americans in rural Florida during the early 20th century. The story focuses on the plight of a hard-working woman with a bad husband. Our analysis will look at the author's portrayal of women's roles in marriage, as well as the impact of race. Night Women was written in 1991 by Edwidge Danticat. This story tells the first-person experience of a Haitian woman who is struggling to provide for herself and her child. Our analysis will look at the effects of poverty in a post-colonial setting, as well as the author's use of symbolism within the story.